Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, this is a no soliciting sign from the Sign Center. I'm going to tell you my favorite thing about this in just a second. I'm also going to show you an example of what could happen with this in your front yard, and an example of what's most likely going to happen without this in your front yard. But first, some things you need to know about this. This sign is made of an aluminum composite, so it's not going to rust. It is very large. It's about 13 inches from here to here, and then about 6 inches tall from here to here. And it's just very, very sturdy. It doesn't bend at all. It's awesome quality. It has these stakes that go into the ground to hold it in place, and it's not going to go anywhere in the wind. It's just going to stay there wherever you put it, and that's just awesome. Here's an example of what could happen if you don't have this sign posted in your front yard. Not another sales guy. Why do I always get salesmen and solicitors at my door? Hello, sir. Would you be interested in solar? No. What about pest control? Every single one of your neighbors has signed up, and since we're going to be in the area anyways, we'll give you an extreme discount. No. We've been trying to reach you about your extended car warrant. No. Okay. Bye. And now here's an example of what could happen if you do have the sign posted in your front yard. As you can see, the salesman is stopped immediately. He looks to his right, sees that there's a no soliciting sign. He cannot solicit you, and he walks off your property. Hey guys, as you can see from the example, this thing works great. It's even polite and says thank you right here on the front as well. My favorite thing, guys, is how good quality it is. This thing's gonna last forever. It stays sturdy right in your yard, and it's just a great product. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.